to come back in here and say hello to that little kitten. It needs you. It says no.
It's like trying to break out of this cell.
You want to just go over and say hello? Oh. All right, well, maybe we can get him to be a little quieter, and then you'll be all right. Okay, I'm going to put you in the other room for a little bit. I know. Look at how cute you are. Oh, look at you, darling. Is that it? Here, let me see. Come on. Okay. Oh, you little dear. Aren't you cute? Oh, I know. I'm going to get you all feeling comfortable here. Yeah, it's all right. You're going to like it here. You are so cute. Wonder what Eric's going to name you. You look like a little junior. You're so cute. Gonna eat a little something?